Hello to you, my jewelry maker friend. Today I'm going to make a very beautiful bracelet to this rose earring. I'm going to make an Egyptian copper bracelet, so I'm going to use copper wire with a diameter of about 0.8 millimeter. And also I need my three main tools: round nose pliers, chain nose pliers, and wire cutter. To make this very easy chainmail bracelet, we need at first to make the little parts. Then we are going to connect those little joints and parts. So each of them would be something like this, and we are going to cut a piece of wire of about 10 centimeters. This is the wire, and we are going to make start and ending point close, just like this, to determine the midpoint of this length. And we are going to push the two sides and make them closer. Also, we could use our chain nose pliers to do that better. But pay attention, this midpoint should have a bigger width, and we are not going to squeeze this part tight. Just these two strands are going to be closed and parallel. If still the ending and starting point are not even, we are going to cut the extra part, and then we are going to make two swirls at each side. So with your round nose pliers, make a very little loop at one point, and then we are going to continue making this to have a beautiful and little swirl, and we are going to repeat that the other side till we get into something like this. We continue making this swirl parts till this space would be something like 1.5 centimeters, and we are going to repeat making this part to be attached together. Now that we have, let's say, plenty of these parts, we are going to attach them together. Pick up one of these patterns, and then with your round nose pliers and somewhere at the middle of this space, make a bend just like this. Then we are going to insert the next one at inside of the first one, and again to bend it. Now we could squeeze the first tile and to make it fastened up, and then we are going to insert the third pattern in, and again to bend it. And we are going to continue this for all these patterns. And finally, that would be something like this. And for my wrist size, that is about 13 centimeters that I'm adding the clasp into this length, I had made 20 of these spiral shapes. And now this is the time to attach the first and ending point together with a clasp. So I'm using again my wire. That it's better to use your 1 millimeter thick wire, or 0.8 is still okay. With your round nose pliers, make a loop at one side and then cut it out in about 2 or 2.5 centimeters, and then make a curve just like you do when you're making an earring clasp, and then at the end point make a very little loop. Now open up the first loop and then insert it at one side of your chainmail bracelet, and then close it. If needed, make it straight. And now for the other side, again, pick up your wire and round nose pliers, and here make a distance of about 2 centimeters, and then make a loop. It's like a tie here, and then make a 90-degree bend. And this is the time to wrap the little strand all around the other one. You could use your round nose pliers to do that, and to wrap the wire all around. If needed, squeeze it till you get to a very little wire coiling part here. And now we make a 90-degree bend here, and then make another curved part here. Then we are going to cut it out and make a very little loop at the end. That would be something like this, and to attach these two parts together, we need to make a jump ring. So open it up, the jump ring, insert it at the end part, and then insert the clasp and close it. Now this is the time to try it on and to close the clasp, and that would be the end. Hope you had enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, please drop a comment for me. Thank you so much. Take care and bye-bye.